Greetings, dear friends. I'm excited to delve into the topic of computer performance upgrades today. There are 5 key upgrades that can significantly enhance the speed and efficiency of your computer. Firstly, upgrading your RAM allows for smoother multitasking capabilities, enabling you to run multiple programs simultaneously without any lag. Secondly, adding a solid-state drive, SSD, to your system can greatly improve boot times, ensuring that your computer starts up in a fraction of the time it formerly took. Additionally, upgrading your graphics card can enhance your gaming and video editing experiences, providing smoother graphics and faster rendering times. It's also crucial to regularly update your software, as this not only improves stability but boosts security by patching up vulnerabilities. And lastly, don't forget to clean out any dust that may have accumulated inside your computer, as this simple maintenance task can prevent overheating and prolong the lifespan of your components.